আজি samla khobote Assam state laga hawa pani flood situation opor khata bra jan lobole thakya toili Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma ex logina aji update di thakya sabti flood situation aji takti same continue face kuri loi ase aro 10 district bra 1.17 lakh opor manukhan displaced kur dishe kogina khobor dia ase State Disaster Management Authority reporting 10 district of 27 revenue circle T 968 bosti effect kudigena 134 relief camp T 17,661 jon shelter loi thakya kodia ase aro nodi laga pani level to Barak Valley te iman danger flow ja thakya Chief Minister Sharma kodia ase IMD khan ja caliber red alert di thakya nishna 7 din tak jabole kodia ase aro across state house cattle shed road bridge khan pi pura puri phangai thakya Assam Disaster Management Authority khan report dia ase aro Union Home Minister Amit Shah aji flood preparedness karni review meeting rakhi thakya report dia ase kili 37 jon laga jan harai digina manu khan tu bishi duk digdar pa thakya mite kodia ase Khoborti Transport Authority of Tamil Nadu khan bra omnibus tinta Nagaland state registered number plate pukhiena thakya thori rakhi dishe ko ase deadline June 17 bra expire hoja issue nimite check in te inspection team khan koi dia sabti itu buses khan tu all India tourist permit misuse kurgena choli thakya koi dia ase kili itu buses khan tu tourist bulk booking aro even kani thakse lipi passengers pukhiena transport kri thakya baja nimiti authorities khan time digena Nijor state laga number registered kulo bole koi aija sholipi iku action nola nimite 3D sheko ase itu karni head office bra instruction issue na kra takti gari khan tu thana te rakhi dibo ko ase aro state officials khan tu state passengers khan ke alag state registered number te aha jana kurole instruction logina jonai thakya pailui ase